What's up, everyone? So today we got a 2024 Tiguan, 17,000 miles on it. We're in the Kansas City network. We're having a pretty big issue with the infotainment system turning on and off. The screen will actually go black and stay black after trying to do some of the quick fixes that Volkswagen has released. Do a hard reset by holding the power button. Be able to reset. It'll turn off, it'll come back on, it'll show the Volkswagen logo and all that stuff, switching on and off. What is this doing right now? It is stuck in a loop, turning on and off. So we do that hard reset to try to fix it. Then if that doesn't fix it, we do a cap discharge on the 12-volt battery, disconnect the 12-volt battery, and then connect the positive and negative terminal there, the post. Connect them, do a cap discharge, basically resetting the system to try to get the 5F module and everything to reset. That's not working either. And I've been finding out that once you start attempting these quick fixes, it'll actually cause the screen to go black and stay black. Be done for good. So in this situation, we have to start a tech line through Volkswagen and basically have them tell us to replace the 5F module, which is right in here in most of these vehicles. Some vehicles it's having issues where it won't actually communicate with the 5F module if you scan the vehicle as well. Some are communicating. Some will be able to work to where you can go in and actually change the HD settings for the radio. I'm supposed to turn those off, turn the emergency notifications off, and yeah, all those quick fixes, try those if you're having these issues. If not, you'll have to bring your vehicle into a authorized Volkswagen dealer. They'll have to scan it and basically start a tech line to have them confirm and tell you to replace the 5F module, because that's what we're doing right now. So yeah, that is the whole process. If you have any other questions, please give me a message and I'll try to help you out with whatever issue you have going on as best as I can. This is what's going on. You get no communication with your 005F module. And also you'll have codes in here for your emergency call module. So this is where we do the programming after replacing the 5F module, program it, adapt the keys to the immobilizer and everything there. As you can see there. Now the light is green. After that, it will do a program and set up the satellite and such. And then that is the real fix to this infotainment concern that is going on currently, where the screen actually gets stuck in a loop. As you can see now, the screen is on. It's asking to register. That's for the customer to set up and all that. Yeah, so that's what we're doing right now. Just replacing the 5F module due to cap discharge not working, hard reset through the power button isn't working, and setting off, turning off the emergency notification, and then the HD radio settings is actually causing it to break up and then stop working altogether. So this is what we're doing right now.